Well, friends, we have seen how the index is faring. We have seen what kind of take we need to have on the stocks. But all this could be a function of the currency markets, and that's why I had a brief gap on the analyzing the currency markets, and now I come back with a view that the currency is now going to play a very important role in the next few months. And we could, if you look at the currency charts, you can clearly see that right now the USD INR is not interested to go below the 69 mark, and that's why every time there is a bit of strengthening which you are seeing, it is again rebounding. Well, there are talks of the FI outflows, etc., etc., and the way RBI with its new governor is taking care of repairing the bit of damage, so to say, at the RBI. All these things in conjunction and all these things put together in a perspective does indicate that the USDINR is now going to witness some bit of volatility, and yes, that could play a part in impacting our equity markets as well. Now, if you take a look at the daily charts, and you can see here that on the daily charts, ever since 2018 beginning, the USDINR depreciated quite aggressively, and from October it started descending, and the descent, we have seen two sharp descents. One was from the period of October end till November. So this actually brought it down near the gap region, and once again you are seeing that the rally which we saw on the USDINR till mid-December, as again you saw some bit of appreciation emerging, and again it has come back into this blue zone which I have marked out, which is the gap region that continues to play an important part. And now the ensuing rally clearly threatens the descending trend line, the pink color line, as a probable breach. What is suggesting that there could be a probable breach on this is the presence of some divergence on the momentum indicators, which I have highlighted by point number 3, and a move above 7150 is a key point to watch out for, and above 7150 you could expect an appreciation towards 7350. So that is the view which I am envisaging on the USD-INR, and looking at the entire set of momentum at work, it could be possible. So we are looking at some bit of weakening to emerge on the INR. So those who are using the currency or participating in the currency markets can look to trade long the bullish dollar or long the INR for some weakening, and those who are into the area of hedging for their purposes, for their, be it a diamond merchant, be it a pharma, be it anyone who wants to hedge against the USD-INR, should definitely consider this as a very, very important level as 7150. So that's my take on USD-INR, and let's see whether the market unfolds in the way I am anticipating it to. And till then, we'll bide our time and find out what the market has to say. Thank you for watching. I'm sure that we have been sharing a lot of informational videos, a lot of analysis videos, lot of podcasts, and all this is in effort to enable the audience to think better, enable the audience to trade better, and enable the audience to participate in a manner in which they would like. So the whole effort is focused on ensuring that one is able to take care of themselves and also take care of their capital. Thank you for watching. Be in touch.